In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a picture to your Canva resume, making it not only visually appealing but personal and unique. We all know that a picture can speak 1,000 words, and on a resume it can add an excellent personal touch that might just make you stand out among the other applicants. So, if you're ready to enhance your resume with the help of Canva, let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open Canva and navigate to your resume design. Once you're there, look towards the left hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu full of different elements and tools. Click on the Elements button. This section is where you'll find all types of design elements you can use, like shapes, lines and illustrations, which can be very handy in enhancing your design. Next, within the Elements tab, you'll want to locate and click on Frames. Frames in Canva are a fantastic feature that allows you to easily insert photos into different shapes. Various frames are available, providing you immense flexibility and creativity on your design. For our purpose today, go ahead and click on the circle frame. The circle shape is popular and works wonderfully for profile pictures on resumes. It adds a modern, clean look and keeps the focus on your face. Once you've selected the circle frame, place it onto your resume. Now, it's important to adjust it accordingly so it integrates seamlessly with your design. Simply click and drag the frame to position it where you want on your resume, and you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners until it fits perfectly within your page layout. Adjusting it will ensure that your photo doesn't overwhelm the other important information on your resume. After setting the frame, it's time to add your photo. Look back towards the left menu and click on Uploads. Here you can either upload a new photo of yourself by dragging it from your computer into Canva, or select an image you've previously uploaded. Once you have your selected photo ready, drag and drop it directly onto the circle frame in your resume. Canva's intuitive design will automatically crop and fit your photo into the frame, keeping it neat and professional. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully added a picture to your Canva resume, giving it that personalized touch. Remember, the photo you choose should be professional yet friendly, akin to passport style photos, but with a warm, approachable expression. This subtle addition can make all the difference when making that memorable first impression. Thanks for following along. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks using Canva. Have a great day.